What's up, everyone? It's your girl Simply Yazzie. Long time no see. I'm back with a new video, January 2021. Happy New Year, everyone. Honestly, I have great feelings about this year, even though we've already been, certain things have been already getting crazy. But personally, I feel like there's a lot to come, and I wanted to start this new year, first video on this channel, with a 2021 vision board. I haven't done a vision board since I was like 17 or 18 years old. So I figured, you know what, I'm gonna do one this year, and I'm really gonna, make things happen for myself. And I know it's already January 8th, but it's never too late to make a vision board, y'all. It can be August, and you can still make a vision board for 2021 or whatever year it is that you're in. So I thought this would be a good video because with everything that went down in 2020, all the craziness, and a lot of people were going through a lot, I figured, you know what, let's start 2021 off right. Let's start it off with positivity, good energy, good vibes. So that's what I wanted to do with this video. So most of us here know what a vision board is, right? And for those who don't, it's basically where you create like a collage or like a poster board or something like that of all the things that you want to accomplish or you see in your future or that you want to have in your future, whether it's for that year or in general just your future. Now, the first time I ever made a vision board, I did like just a vision of what I see my future. So I had things that were like 10 years down the line type stuff. And so that was cool and all for me. But the thing is, I felt like it didn't inspire me enough because they were mostly long-term goals. Whereas I feel like when you put more short-term goals on your vision board, it seems more attainable and you're going to actually work for those things. So when we talk about a vision board, the idea behind it is to be able to, create this visual of where you see yourself or things that you want to accomplish, and then you're basically going to manifest all of this greatness so that you can achieve those things, and those visions then become your reality. Get that? You see how amazing that is? We're gonna get right into the process that I went through making my vision board, and yeah, I had to write it down what I was gonna tell you guys because your girl be forgetting things and I don't have time to be sitting here trying to remember what I'm trying to say. So the first thing that I did when it came to creating my vision board, I like to journal. Most people know me know that I like to journal. So I did an entire 2020 reflection. I sat there, I wrote, things that I felt or went through or overcame or whatever during 2020, and I just reflected on that. Personally, even though 2020 was really, really rough, I did still experience a lot of personal growth, which I wanted to continue on into 2021 and just grow even more. I think it's important to reflect on your previous year and where it brought you so that you can then move into the next step of my process of creating this vision board, which was writing down my 2021 goals. Mind you, you guys, when you do your 2021 or New Year's resolution, vision board, whatever you want to call it, you don't have to accomplish everything within that year. The goal is to try to accomplish as much as possible within that year and be inspired by your own goals or ambitions. Hold up, I gotta take a sip because this thing is gonna get cold. Side note, if y'all haven't tried hot apple cider, y'all need to get on that train because let me tell you something, it is really good. After doing my journaling, of course, the next step is you want to get your supplies together. You want to get whatever poster board, frame, get your pictures together, print out pictures. I use Google Images, clip art, Pinterest, and I just copy and paste it on a Word document, and then I printed those pictures out. Get your scissors, your glue, cut them out, and just have them ready, prepped and ready so that, when it comes to putting your board together, it's simple and easy and you just have to, position everything. The next thing that was a big part of the process for me was setting the mood. Like, you want to be in a good mood, you want to have good vibes, good energy all around you while you're making this vision board. I mean, I believe in energy, so I feel like the energy that you have in your environment and that you're putting in while you're putting into creating this board is like everything. I lit some candles, I poured some wine, I had two of my close friends over. A vision board is a personal thing, so if you're gonna do it with people, I say do it with people that you trust and that, you know, are rooting for you and all of that, because I wouldn't just do it with anybody personally. But yeah, I had my, you know, two close friends over. It was like a vision board making party and it was awesome. The vibe is everything. It just adds that inspiration. Once all that is done, the most important thing happens. You create your vision board. This is all pretty much up to however you want to do your layout. You just lay it out how you want to. You can do it in groups or whatever. You just make it look cute how you want it to look, and you start gluing things down and creating your board. I'm gonna show you guys my finished product of my board. Ta-da! So this is my vision board. I'm not gonna go too into detail about what is on it, just because, you know, I do believe that it is personal. I don't want to invite any negative energy, but you can get an idea just looking at it. You can get an idea of kind of what I'm going for, or what plans I kind of have for myself without having too much detail of knowing exactly what I'm trying to do. Basically, I grouped like the things that I wanted to accomplish this year by like likeness, I guess you could say, similarities. So I did like a health and fitness section, staying motivated, and career, professional, school goals, time management, self-care and growth, budgeting and travel, and then like healthy relationships, whether that's romantic or platonic. So those are the things that I kind of focused on from my vision board. So hopefully that gives you guys some ideas and maybe some things you might want to have on your vision board if you are interested in creating one for yourself. I'm really, really happy with how it turned out, especially with using this type of, I guess you can say, frame with the glass. I feel like it makes it look a lot prettier, or maybe just nicer in general, and it's not flimsy, so it protects your vision board, so it should last you all year without tearing or anything like that, and it's very, very easy to hang. I hope this gives you all some type of an idea of maybe what to put on your own vision board. So your vision board is created, right? The last thing that you'd want to do is put it somewhere where you're going to see it often, and it's going to inspire you, and you're going to remind you of the things that you're trying to accomplish, because sometimes, you know, we all go through those phases where we're just feeling lazy or we're just feeling unmotivated. So you want to put it somewhere where it's going to motivate you and inspire you and remind you of everything that you're trying to do. Okay, so I told a little lie. The last thing that you want to do is not really put it up. The last thing that you want to do is put in that work, okay? We didn't create this board just to create the board to look at. This is just half the work. The rest, you have to put in that work yourself in order to achieve these things. Now, you don't have to achieve everything in 1 year, honestly, but the goal is to at least start working on everything so that you can get closer to actually achieving these things that you want for yourself, to manifest this greatness and work towards that greatness and make it happen for yourself. Creating the board is not gonna just make it miraculously happen. All right, y'all, that's really it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed watching it just as much as I enjoyed making it for y'all. I hope that this inspired you to make your own vision board if you haven't already, or at least maybe journal or start manifesting this greatness for yourself for this new year. Please stay tuned. I know I'm just the worst when it comes to this, but this is one of the things that I'm really trying to work on for myself this year, being more consistent. So please stay tuned and don't stop supporting, watching my videos. I genuinely enjoy creating this content, so let's hope together that I can really stick to it. You guys will definitely be seeing more of me soon. Do not forget to follow me on my socials, and please like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment, share it to your friends. I would greatly appreciate it. Y'all, Happy New Year once again. This is gonna be a great one. Believe it and it'll happen. Don't forget to protect your energy and your space, and just welcome all the good vibes. Bye.